On the screen, you can see a simple Java program. So in this video, we will be seeing how final keyword can be used with a variable, with a method, and with a class. And whenever we use final variable, it makes its definition fixed. It makes its value fixed. So when a variable is declared as final, its value cannot be modified. When a method is declared as final, it cannot be overridden. And when a class is declared as final, then it cannot be inherited. So let's see first for the variable. So when I'm giving int a equal to 90, and if I try to modify the normal variable, it will allow me to modify. So before modifying, let's print the value of a here. So which I'm using system.out.println and printing a here. So I'm printing a, and let's execute. When I execute, I get the value as 90 printed on output screen. So here I have executed, and you can see in console we got the value as 90. And if I modify it like a equal to 99, and then again print it using system.out.println, then if I run again, I get both the values 90 and 99. So it is giving, or it is allowing us to modify the a value. Now if I make it final, and already we are getting here the error, the final local variable a cannot be assigned. So remove final modifier of a, one quick fix. So we are getting error that we cannot modify a value. If I execute also, I get a error here. So we cannot modify a final variable. Now let's see for a method. So void display. I'm taking a simple method void display, and in this I'm going to print a simple message as hi using println. So here I'm printing hi. Now I will be creating a child class for this class test. So for that, in the same file, I will be creating class test2 extends test. So here, when you write extends test, now the class test2 has become the child of test class. Now it can override this method. That means it can redefine this method. So here I and welcome I'm giving. So just I have changed the method message as hi and welcome. Just change the definition of this display method. So when display gets executed, we get hi welcome, and we don't get hi here. So if I create object of test2 here, test2 object if I'm creating, and using this object if I call the display, then if I execute, I get hi welcome, which is coming from the child class. But if I declare this method as final, and then if I run, I get a error. And also you can see here we got a error, overrides display, cannot override the final method from test. This way it will not allow final method to be overridden. So I'm removing here the final keyword, or let's not redefine this. And next, if a class is declared as final, then you can see here we got a error here. Test2 cannot subclass the final test, final class test. So when I declare a class as final, it cannot be inherited. Remove final modifier. We are getting error. S2 cannot subclass the final class. So this way, whenever we use final keyword with variable, class, or method, it makes its definition fixed, which cannot be modified by other classes or user.